Hello students, good morning. Last class I have asked you what to find the value of sine 22.5 degrees. How many of you have done ma? Now let us go to find sine 22.5 degrees. How to find? So we can write, we can use this formula here. Sine theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Now replace the value of theta as 22.5 degrees. Now you will get here sine 22.5 degrees is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 2 into 22.5 degrees divided by 2. Now we will get this value as square root of 1 minus cos 45 degrees divided by 2. Now what is cos 45 degrees? We know it is a specific angle. We know this value as 1 by root 2 divided by 2. Now by taking LCM of the numerators, we will get LCM is root 2. 1 in root 2 times will go root 2 into 1 root 2 minus root 2 in root 2 1 time will go 1 1s are 1 divided by 2 under root. Now we will get the denominator 2 can be written as 2 by 1. The value of sine 22.5 degrees is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. This is the value of sine 22.5 degrees. But what is complement of 22.5 degrees? Sine 22.5 degrees can be written as sine of 90 minus 67 half degree. So 90 minus 67 half means 22 half only. Observe it carefully. Now we can write this sine 90 minus theta as cos theta. It is nothing but cos 67.5 degrees. So what is the meaning of this? Sine 22.5 degrees is nothing but cos 67.5 degree and its value is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Now what is the value of cos 22.5 degrees? To find cos 22.5 degrees, we can use the formula cos theta is equal to square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So now put theta is equal to 22.5 degrees. We will get this value as cos 22.5 degrees is equal to square root of 1 plus cos 2 into 22 half degree divided by 2. Now what is cos 2 into 22 half? Cos 45 degrees. So we'll get here this value as square root of 1 plus cos 45 degrees divided by 2. Now replace the value of cos 45. By replacing cos 45 degrees, here we will get this value as 1 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 2. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Now take LCM and simplify. You will get this value is root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 22 half degree. So cos 22 half degree can be written as cos of 90 minus 67 half degree. It is nothing but cos 90 minus theta. We can write this as sin 67.5 degree. Therefore, cos 22.5 degrees is equal to sin 67.5 degree whose value is root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. So this is the value of cos 22.5 degree. Now what is tan 22 half degree? Cos tan 22.5 degrees can be written as sin 22.5 degrees divided by cos 22.5 degree. What is sin 22.5 degree? Root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by cos 22.5 degree is square root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2, the denominators are same, it will get cancel here. So we will get root of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So the denominator is an irrational number. The denominator is an irrational. You can rationalize with its conjugate. Root 2 plus 1 conjugate is root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 under root. Now the numerator is in the form of a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole square divided by the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square under root. Now I will separate root for both numerator and denominator. Will get here root 2 minus 1 whole square under root divided by root of root 2 square means 2 minus 1 square is 1. Now here the numerator square and root will get cancelled. We will get the numerator is root 2 minus 1 by denominator 2 minus 1 is 1. Under root means 1 only. So this is tan 22 half degree. Now tan 22 half degree is square root of 2 minus 1, whose it is nothing but the complement. Tan 22 half can be written as tan of 90 minus 67 and half degree. So tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta, cot 67 and half degree. Therefore, we will get tan 22 and half degree is equal to cot 67 and half degree, whose value is root 2 minus 1. Now let us find the value of cot 22 and half degree. Cot 22 and half degree is nothing but 1 by tan 22 and half degree. So 1 by square root of 2 minus 1. But again denominator is an irrational number. Again multiply with its conjugate root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So the numerator 1 into root 2 plus 1 is root 2 plus 1 only. Now the denominator root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So we'll get here root 2 plus 1 divided by a square. Root 2 whole square means square and root will get cancelled, get 2 minus 1. That is root 2 plus 1 by 1. Therefore, cot 22 and half degree is equal to root 2 plus 1. But what is cot 22 and half degree? We can write cot 22 and half degree as cot of 90 minus 67 and half degree. But 90 minus 67, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan 67 and half degree. So we will get cot 22 and half degree is equal to tan 67 and half degree, whose value is root 2 plus 1. Students, I'll stop this class here, ma. If you like, please like and share my class. Thank you. I'll give one homework, ma. You do this homework. Find the value of sin 7 and half degree. Okay? Okay, fine. Express your answer in comment box, or you can WhatsApp to my number. Okay, ma.